Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson from Quantum Innovations. Today I want to actually show you guys how you can make money selling a particular gig on Fiverr. Okay, now I want to show you how you can sell content, articles on Fiverr. Okay, if you go to Fiverr, you discover that guys are making a killing on Fiverr by writing articles, blog posts. Okay, if you go to Upwork, freelance, this is one of the gigs that actually make guys use to make money. Okay, now I'm going to show you a software that will help you do that. I know you probably you don't really have that time, or you are not very skilled to sit down and begin to write articles by yourself, but I'm going to show you what most of those guys you see on Fiverr, Upwork, freelance are using to offer that gig to their customers. I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is to generate blog posts. Okay, now stay with me. If you've not subscribed to my channel, I will encourage you to please do that. Click the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell, so that when next I post a video, you'll be the first to get to see it. Now, I wouldn't want to waste much of your time. I'm just going to go straight ahead and show you what this software actually does. The name of the software is called Content Gorilla. Okay, now like I said earlier, if you go to Fiverr, okay, let's go to Fiverr and see how much people are actually charging for blog posts. Okay, let's say you come to Fiverr. Okay, let me just refresh. This is Fiverr. Okay, you come to Fiverr and probably somebody asks you. Okay, you sign up on Fiverr, or if you are already on Fiverr. Okay, now if you are not already on Fiverr, to sell gig here, you need to sign up. Okay, but if you are already on Fiverr, let's assume you want to sell articles for blog posts. Okay, people that need article for blog posts, they come here and they write what do we search? Let's just say SEO. Somebody need an article on SEO on her website or blog. Okay, now you know if somebody has a website or a blog, they need to post consistently on their blog or their website for it to rank and for them to drive visitors to their website also. So because they know that fact that they need to post consistently on Fiverr, some of them might not even have that time, that luxury of time, or some of them are not skilled to write articles for their blog. So they come to Fiverr to look for someone that can write articles for them. Now, this is Fiverr. Let me show you how much guys are charging on Fiverr to write articles. This one say, I will give SEO service for Wix, WordPress, or Squarespace for $260. This one say, I will do website or page SEO optimization service for Google, $30. Okay, you understand? This is what people are actually offering. Now, let's say somebody wants you to write a review or write a content on SEO. Let's say SEO contents. Somebody comes to Fiverr looking for who write SEO content for them. Now, if you have, look at how much they are charging. This one is charging $140. I will write compelling SEO content that rank on Google. It's charging $140. This one says I will write SEO content for your website. It's charging $75, guys. To write content for your website is charging $75, and these guys are making a killing here. Let me see. You can imagine he has 8 orders in queue. This guy has 8 orders and is charging $75. Now, tell me, do you think this guy writes all these things by himself? He doesn't. Most of these guys, they use software to write their content that they sell on Fiverr. I'm going to show you how these guys, they write all these contents. They come to a software called Content Gorilla. Okay. Now, what this software does is that it converts YouTube video into blog posts or articles for blogs. Okay. this content, this system, this software, Content Gorilla, converts YouTube video into content or article for website. So let's go to YouTube and get a video URL. Okay, you know, like this person says, a customer, like this 8% said they want this guy to write SEO content for their websites. Now I will show you the trick that this guy uses to make money. He comes to a website like Fiverr. He search for video on SEO. Like you see, I type SEO here. He search for video for SEO. Then he picks a video like, what is SEO and how does it work? Okay, let's assume this customer wants to write on his or her blog that what is SEO and how does it work. He or she wants our subscribers or our readers to read about SEO and how it works. Now this guy takes that gigs, come to this software. First, he will go to Fiverr, look for a video that is related, that talks about something related to the gig on Fiverr. Okay, you are getting what I'm trying to say. He comes to YouTube, gets a video. You know, on YouTube you can get virtually videos that are related to all topics. He comes to YouTube, gets a video that is related to the topic that somebody wants him to write about on Fiverr. Now, let's say this video, he wants to write about SEO and how it works. He clicks on this share button. Then you copy the URL of that video. Okay, then you come to this software that is called Content Gorilla. What you do is this. Let's go to the dashboard of Content Gorilla. Now this is the dashboard of Content Gorilla. If you understand this system, how this thing works, you will now understand the secret behind how these guys actually make money on Fiverr. 8 order in queue. Now this is the system. You paste the URL. This URL we copied from YouTube. The URL we copied from YouTube. You come here and you paste the URL here. Okay. Now relevance, just leave it that way. The license, they have 2 licenses here. That is any video and Creative Commons. If you want to use Creative Commons, fine. But if you want to use, I use any of my blogs, any video on my blogs. Okay, and there's no issue about it because you are not giving out video, you are giving out articles. Okay. Now you click on search. Let's see the magic here now. You click on search. This is the video we picked from. This is a video we just picked from YouTube. This video on YouTube. This video on YouTube. What is SEO and how does it work? This is the video. What is SEO and how does it work? Now, what we want to do now is to convert this video into an article that we're going to sell on Fiverr. Then you click on create posts. Just give it some seconds and you're going to see that this thing is going to translate into an article. Go down fine. This is the article. This is the article. This is what this guy says on Fiverr. This is the article. Now, you know, in the beginning of the video, like when you start watching this video, I say, welcome to my channel and stuff like that. That is what this person is going to say here. This video is brought to you by so. That is the video introduction. On this particular side, we are going to remove just the introduction of the video. Okay. Now, this is the proper review of the video. You see, the lady now said in this video. Now remember, it was a video, but now we are trying to transform it into an article. What do? You come to this place where it says keyword. You want to replace everywhere where it talks about video into an article, because we are no longer, what you are going to give to your clients on Fiverr is an article, not a video. Then this video, you write it here, because we are going to replace all this where it talks about video. On this article, we are going to change it into articles. So here you replace it with article. Okay. Now let me, if I click on this replace, just watch out where it say in this video. It's going to say in this article. Okay. Now, watch. Automatically, it changes to article. Okay. So let's read it and you see. You see, in this article, we will cover what SEO and how you can use it to increase traffic to your blog. In a recent survey, many of you asked us to create content that will help you increase traffic for your website. You can imagine it's now talking about SEO for websites, which a client requested for on Fiverr. Okay. Now, I will not want to read through everything here now, but you get what I'm trying to say. You are just going to write the article for the person. One of the best way, let me just read a bit out of it. See, one of the best way to do that is to optimize your site for search engine. And in this series, we will cover everything you need to know to get started with SEO. And by following the tips in this series, you could easily add 1,000 more visitors to your website in a month. You can imagine. This is the secret of how you can make a killing on Fiverr by writing articles and by selling articles on Fiverr. Now, these are articles that you did not write, sit down and write yourself, but there's a software called Content Gorilla that will help you to write this article and you sell on Fiverr. Okay, so this is just the article. You can see it's well paragraphs. You can see all the paragraphs. You can see all the paragraphs. This thing is just talking all about review of SEO. Okay, it's talking about review of SEO. Okay, let me just read part of it. It says you want to make sure that your website is exactly what the searcher is looking for when you are searching Google. This is just the beauty of this software. It makes everything so easy for you to just deliver your gig on Fiverr and make money. So if you want this software, all you just need to do is to click the link below this video and begin to sell articles on Fiverr and make money. Okay, these guys you see, sorry for that, these guys you see on Fiverr, like I rightly told you earlier, they don't write this article themselves. Let's assume he received like 4 orders in a day. Do you think he sit down and begin to write all these articles himself? No. These days, people don't do manual labor anymore. They don't do things. We have systems that helps you to make things easy and you make money. So at the end of the day, you just go through the article and you just copy it. Okay, you just copy the article. After going through it, of course, just copy the article and you go deliver this, okay, to your clients on Fiverr, and you'll be paid. You'll be paid. Some will even go ahead and give you tips because this article has up to 1,262 words, which is very lengthy. And you know what? Most of these guys that ask for this gig on Fiverr, they know that when the article is lengthy, it's of favor to them because it will rank high on Google. Google like articles that are very lengthy. It ranks high, and most of these guys that comes to Fiverr to Upwork and freelance to place order for them, they understand that. So when they see things like this, some of them will go ahead and give you tips. Okay, so you just copy this article, you go to Fiverr, and you get it delivered to your clients. That's how you make your money on Fiverr. And if you are not doing article writing on Fiverr, I will really encourage you to do that because there is money there. People, all these guys you see here, they have orders and they make money there. Okay, so if it's something you think you like and you want to really make money with, I will advise you to click the link below and get the software. Okay, and if you've not really subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscription button and the notification bell as well, so that when next I post a video, you'll be the first to get to see them. Thank you for watching my video and take care of yourself. Bye.